If you want to generate a Google Form quiz with just one click, without copying and pasting questions and options from ChatGPT into the form, then follow these steps. First, generate your quiz questions on a specific topic using ChatGPT or any AI tool of your choice. For example, I'll create multiple choice, true-false, short answer, and long answer questions on the topic of climate change. Review all the generated questions to ensure their accuracy and correctness. Once your questions are ready, you'll need to convert them into a Google Form quiz format. To do this, use the following prompt in ChatGPT. Generate a Google Form script to create a quiz using these questions. ChatGPT will then produce a block of code. You don't need to understand the code, just copy it. Now click on the 9-dot icon and select Forms. Then take a blank form. On the form, click the 3 dots in the top right corner and select App Script. Delete any existing code and paste in the code you copied from ChatGPT. Save the script. Once saved, the Run button will become active. Click it, then choose Review Permissions. Select the Google account connected to your Google Form or Drive and authorize the script by clicking Continue. The script will execute automatically, no manual copying and pasting needed. Once execution is complete, go to Google Drive, click on Recent, and you'll find your new quiz. Open it and you'll see all your questions, multiple choice, true, false, and short answer already added. That's it. You've just created a Google Form quiz in a few clicks without manually transferring any content from ChatGPT. I want to mention that if you get an error after running the script, just copy the error message and paste it into ChatGPT. It will correct it and give you the revised version.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.